Hi guys, today we talk about how can you delete your account on your SIM app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go down here, click on this sign down here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on store here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on wallet. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. You just scrolling down here. Until you will find here delete my Steam account, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just scrolling down here, and here can you proceed to account deletion here, just click on it. Then you just scrolling down, you give them here a reason, and here can you provide your phone number here, and here your email, you click on send, and it's going to delete with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking